nothing like cleaning up at your first American job.
I do not know what this is, but I believe it has a tail.
Oh, got his own interest now.
It's a strawberry.
Won't your friends be impressed? This push works.
Yes, it does. Eat only what is packaged.
Aliens in America. All new this Monday at 8:30, 7:30 Central on the CW.
You asked for it. Now you have it. A full hour of Family Guy, followed by a full hour of 2.5 Men. Tonight, starting at 6 on KTLA.
Okay, say the thing again.
Reba, we got it, okay? We know what to do.
Say the thing.
Our family is happy. We have no problems. Things are terrific.
Who are you scowling
I
at?
don't know why you're so tense about talking to this counselor. 5 years ago, you were the one telling us we should tell him everything.
5 years ago, we got sent to anger management by the court. We're supposed to be part of an attempt to save our marriage. Nice work, Brock.
Oh, bless you.
Mom, remember, this is our last court order of independence.
Sorry. Okay, all we have to do is get this form signed. We never have to come back again. So, we have no problems. Everybody's happy?
Wait a minute. Where's Barbara Jean?
Push. Push.
They're trying to get out of therapy, not get sent to the loony bin.